Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to fix auto back problem in your Instagram on Android and iOS devices. First of all, you have to open your Android smartphone or iPhone and go to your mobile phone settings. Now here you have to search in the search bar Instagram. After searching Instagram, here you have to click on Instagram icon. Now search in the search bar Instagram and tap on Instagram button. After that, here you have to click on storage and cache. Here you can see after clicking on this, here you have to click on clear cache at the right bottom. After doing this, you have to go to your mobile phone home screen and you have to open your Play Store. After that, in the Play Store, you have to search Instagram and update your Instagram to the latest version. After that, you have to open your Instagram. In this way, you can fix auto back problem in your Instagram, Android, and iOS both devices.